see, Cartesian coordinates. Now, okay, look, the dot product between E1 and E1 will be 1. So this is cosine, see? Plus, now, the dot product between E1 and E2 will be 0, see? Now, the dot product between E2 dot E1 will be 0 from the delta, current delta. But E2 dot E2 will be 1. So I have sine square of theta. So this dot product is 1. Now, do you remember the definition of dot product? So A rho dot A rho, this will be the magnitude of A rho times the magnitude of A rho times the cosine between A rho and A rho. So it will be cosine of 0, which is 1. So this is size of A rho squared. Then size of A rho will be here square root of 1. You see, the right hand side, look, is equal to the left hand side. What means that A rho is a unit vector. So when you look at here, A rho is a unit vector. But that do the same, you see, look at that. I erase here. Look how simple. It's quite simple, okay? Actually, I'm reviewing some calculus in math, advanced calculus. So let's do the dot product A rho dot A theta. Okay? I'll erase here, but no problem. I have A rho will be cosine theta E1 plus sine theta E2. See, I just copy A rho here. Dot. You see, A theta. I forgot A theta. No problem. See, but I can derive here. Why? Because A theta is defined partial of R with respect to theta, maintaining rho in Z constant. So this will be partial theta. Now I write down the vector here is rho cosine theta U1 plus, this is R, okay? R plus rho sine theta E2 plus Z E3. Now it's easy now. Rho is constant, U1 is constant, so it will be minus rho sine theta U1 plus derivative of sine is cosine plus rho cosine theta E2 plus 0. Okay? So I can write now that, but just repeat, okay? Because I don't have a paper, okay, in front of me. Okay? Then I theta is equal minus rho sine theta U1 plus rho cosine theta V2. Okay, I'll quit just to continue. In such a way the video not too long, not be too long.